Hey everyone, it's Patrick here with Smart Start Solutions. Just coming at you with another tip, a little video here about some important things you can do on your Instagram account to help, move you towards growth and just looking more professional and probably getting more tools that you'll need to grow your business, whatever that is. If you're an influencer or cafe or whatever it is, you're going to want to make sure your Instagram is set as a business Instagram. And that is going to allow you to have a lot more options as far as, tracking insights, and you can even sell through your business profile. You can do a lot of things on there. So I'm going to try to just run through the basics of it real quick and show you, some, why this could be important to you. Let me just see, I need to add something here. Alright, okay, so this is the basics of how you would set up a business account. You can get this right off of Instagram's help page, So this is the first step you're going to want to do, is you're going to go to your profile. This is going to be done on your phone, by the way. The desktop version, as far as I can tell, doesn't appear to have a way to do that at this time. So you go into your profile, you're going to tap the little hamburger thing here. You're going to hit settings, just like it says, and then tap account, and you're going to click switch to business account. It's going to ask you to associate it with a Facebook page, which is a great idea because Facebook owns Instagram, so they're always trying to get those two to work together as best as they can. If you're going to do ads or anything like that, it's a good idea to link this up and add an ads account and things like that, so you can start working with your Facebook page and your Instagram profile together. So then it's going to ask you to add details about your business, category, contact information, all this stuff that's about your business. So once you get the business account, you're going to see some changes in your profile. It's going to look a little different. Going to add some things in there now, like this cool feature here. You got insights. Insights is a great way to get important information about your account and good times to post. Like right now with this account, a good time to post looks like Friday and Saturday because that's the most interactions and activity for my particular followers. Wednesday might be a good time, and this can totally dictate your social media calendar, whatever that's going to be. So yeah, very important to have these insights available to you. Also, if you're using any kind of social media software, they usually require you to kind of have a business account. It's good because you'll get a few more features with that software. So yeah, here's some other cool things here. You've got obviously your activity, this name tag feature. I'll do another video later about that because I have to keep it under 10 minutes because that's as long as Instagram TV will let you do a video for. But name tag is a great way to kind of download a little thing. It's like a little picture of your of the name of your Instagram profile, and you can stick it on something or whatever. And if you're out and about and you run into somebody and you want them to follow your Instagram, they just scan it with their Instagram camera and they instantly follow you. It's like an Instagram business card, so I highly suggest people make use of that. So then you get all this other stuff that you're pretty familiar with. Okay, so then you get some more options like this too. You got payments here, you can do ads, more account stuff. If you go into this business section, you'll get access to some other pretty cool things. Here is just to show you, if you ever needed to go back to a personal account for some reason, they do give you that option. So I don't know, you got all kinds of little stuff in here that you can mess around with. But anyways, when you click on business here, you're going to go into some really cool options. You can do promotional payments, so you can hook up your ad account from Facebook. And this is a great thing because if you're using Facebook Pixel or anything like that to do ad targeting, you can leverage your Instagram audience, to do some retargeting. There's a whole other world of that. So I'm going to run out of time if I go on that tangent too much right now, but maybe later. So yeah, this is where you'd hook that stuff up. Shopping is really cool. because you can actually apply, to have Instagram approve if you're doing e-commerce or something like that, you can have Instagram approve your store and hook up. You can tag items like in your posts, and so you can talk about an item or even like do an advertisement with it, and people can click on that item and actually shop for it and buy it. It's kind of cool. Like, you can kind of turn your Instagram into a store if you want to. Branded content. This is kind of like if you're doing like cross promotions and things like that, and you have like people you're working with and you want to approve them to tag you and stuff. This is a good place to do that. And later, some other time I might go into this, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to keep moving on. Quick replies. I don't have a screenshot for that, although I should. So next time maybe I'll do that. Quick replies is basically you can set up like automatic replies to common questions about your products or services, or a lot of times you kind of get the whole, someone sends you something and they're like, thanks for the follow. You can set up a quick reply that's like, hey, you're welcome, I hope you enjoyed our site, or you can put a bunch of stuff in there. So like if you're not on Instagram or someone's asking a question, they get some kind of response, and you can start building relationships that way. So again, like switching over to an Instagram business account if you are in business, or even if you are just an influencer who's trying to make it out there, you're going to want to get a business account because you're going to get a lot more information that you can use to kind of leverage your influence. I'll go into a little bit more about influencers and how that can work for you in another video. But for now, this is the basics for doing this. Everyone should do this. If you're trying to do anything business-wise on Instagram, it's very good for you. So that's it for today. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Saturday morning. And I do encourage you to follow this account, or if not, or just keep track of it because it's going to grow. We're actually using these accounts to show you exactly how to use Instagram and how to grow it. And so we're doing it from scratch so you can see it. So keep up with us, and we're looking forward to the next video. Bye.